Okay, I'm Evelyn Okumu. I graduated from secondary school 2 years ago, and I passed. I have 4 children, 1 girl and 3 boys. So I'm supposed to join a university this year in August 17th. I'm going in for a Faculty of Engineering, Bachelor of Science Technology. Where the givers wings got me, I was only selling vegetables and 50 shillings a day. Then in that filthy status, they gave me wings. Sure, I like their names, givers wings. It's like I'm growing wings and soon I'll be flying. I'm a student, I'm also a parent. I have my kids to take care of. But sure, what worries me most is not my education. I know that I can struggle with books. I'm capable of doing that. But my children are here, they want good education. So if the Givers Wings could just sponsor me to go through my education, maybe I could find some ways to take care of my children too.